Hi everyone, it's Pan from RAUBAY. Today I'm excited to introduce our new tripod extension arm TE01, designed to give your tripod a whole new range of creative possibilities. This extension arm comes with 3 8-inch screws on both ends, so you can mount different gear at the same time. It's made of aluminum alloy with tube walls that are 2 mm thick, so it's extra solid and steady even when fully extended. Adjusting it is super easy. Just loosen the central spring lock to slide the whole arm where you want it. Then loosen the front knob to extend or shorten the arm, and you are good to go. The TE01 works with any tripod that has a standard 3 8-inch mount, and is also compatible with Manfrotto type quick-release plates. Pair it with our leveling base LB1 for perfectly balanced level shots. You can use it for overhead top-down shots, ideal for product photography, unboxing videos, and art creation. Side or multi-angle shots, great for interviews or more creative filming. VR content creation, perfect for shooting immersive, interactive, and highly engaging VR experiences. Whether you are shooting at home, in the studio, or on professional locations, the RAUBAY tripod extension arm TE01 expands your tripod's capability and unlocks your creative potential. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.